Yeah. Red gum, Australian hardwood. Let's try it this way. Yep, it's reversing grain. So. And that's within tolerances. There it goes. Going to be that line, that line. Nope, it's fully reversing. There. These theoretically should be precisely the same thickness in every dimension, in every way. Ooh, too much. That's really, really close. Hey, hey. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Seven. that. So do I really need more clamps? Yes, you always need more clamps. Now these clamps were actually sent to me by a viewer, and I want to say a huge thank you for it. Looking forward to putting them to the use. Also, the red gum that I'm using, this is the first time I've had a chance to work with Australian red gum. That was sent from another viewer in Australia. It was fun to play with a small block of that, so thank you. Might have to find if I can get more of that because it's really cool to play with. But yeah, it's a very, very hard wood, very dense, and a lot of fun. I put the collars on, and so I figured I'd do a whole video making the clamp handles because these ones didn't come with clamp handles, and it was a fun chance to play with that. So experimenting with different things in different ways in a safe method. In other words, if I didn't like it, I'll just put new handles on it. I'm not going to be hurting anything, but it was fun to play with something new. Really, I find that to be the best way to learn. So these will get added to my collection. I probably have a table build coming up in the next few months that I'll be using these and all my other ones, and probably a few more because you can never have enough clamps. Thank you, Father, for instilling that thought in me, but it is a very true one. Clamps are always in necessity in the shop. So I think that'll about do it for this video. If you do like little ones like this, please let me know. If you do have any questions, comments, or ideas, let me know that down in the comments below. So I think that'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. This is a clamp, and this is a clamp.